In this video, I'm gonna use the ATMega32 to rotate a servo motor. A variable resistor connects to the ADC 7 pin will adjust the angle of the servo motor. The rotation angle of this motor is between -90 to +90 degree. The clock frequency of this controller is 4 MHz. Here I use the phase correct PWM mode of this controller. So, now let's start writing codes. It will need only the avrio.h header file. I declare two variables to hold the ADC values, current ADC value and the older ones. Port A is input. But only ADC 7, or PA7 pin is used for the ADC reading. PB3 or the OC0 pin is an output that generate PWM signal. Turn on the ADC module. Its conversion clock is divided by 128. ADC 7 pin is selected as the ADC input channel. I select the phase correct PWM mode, with non-inverting output. This line of code will convert from the ADC result to the servo motor timing. PWM duty cycle will adjust the angle of servo motor. Now it's ready to build this solution. OK. This program will be tested in the simulator. Now I adjust this variable resistor to rotate the servo motor. At the bottom it reaches -90 degrees. At the most top it reaches only 87.1 degrees. Now it is ready. Thanks for your time watching this video.